PLO2 is Pedagogy and Theory. Educational theories can support and enhance instructional practices. Let's look at a few artifacts that showcase my growth in this area. The first artifact that demonstrates my ability to utilize pedagogical approaches is this online course on parenting that I created for EdTech 512. Let's look at the design document. I utilized a learning task map to identify logical course level objectives and then align tasks and assessments to these objectives. I then used Gagne's 9 events of instruction to sequence the tasks and assessments. These activities include online discussions, a parenting scenario or simulation, and a final project where parents utilize a documentation tool that has scaffolded steps to help them create an effective parenting guide. These activities demonstrate how I use technology to support and enhance my selected pedagogical approach. The online discussions and interactive media align with constructivist strategies and encourage learners to actively engage with the content. The skills that I developed creating this course are essential to my work as an EdTech integrator, as this project is a good example of TPAC integration. The technology integration is well suited to the course content, and the technology also enhances the pedagogical approach. The next artifact is an essay that I wrote for EdTech 535 about the theories behind gamification in learning and instruction. I discussed things like cognitive load, cognitive apprenticeship, constructivism, scaffolding, flow theory, and compare and contrast them using a Venn diagram. These are theories that I will continue to reference and utilize in my work as an educator. And finally, there is my research paper that I wrote for EdTech 504 about constructivist strategies for Makerspace programs. This artifact perhaps relates most directly to my work, as one of my main responsibilities in my new job is to help design, implement, and facilitate the new Makerspace at our school. This will be the first year that we're running a Makerspace program, and the paper was really useful because it helped me to identify some best practices. And one of the things that we will try to do, that actually is mentioned in the paper, is to make sure that the maker activities are directly aligned with the standard curriculum. The MET program provided me with insight into the research and literature surrounding educational technology. This knowledge will be a vital asset in my work as an educator and EdTech integrator.